At yung next naman natin i-check ang ating sugar. Ayan, paubos na yung ating pantusok. So, this is just so easy. Lalagay lang natin ating pantusok dito sa ating lancet. At ilalagay na rin natin yan. At ang ating glucometer, ayan, paubos na rin yung ating glucometer. And it's time to restock na naman. Another gases, mga bestie. Kailangan din talaga natin mag-invest sa ating health, mga besties. Ayan, so ilalagay lang natin dyan. And it's time to check our sugar on my tank. Asan yung ating alcohol? Ayan, kinuha lang natin yung ating alcohol at hindi tayo nakapag-alcohol kanina. So, let's check our FBS for today, day 33, and this is August 10. Today is August 10. And let's see our FBS sa mga kinain natin. Nag-churros, nag-Jollibee, nag-Dodong B, and what is our sugar? FBS natin in 3, 2, 1. And this is 87, our fasting blood sugar. So, very, nag-normalize na talaga yung ating blooding sugar. FBS natin, fasting blood sugar natin, guys. Nag-normalize na talaga using with our two products. And this is my day 33 of using the Fiverr and our Magic Tea, guys. So, I'm so happy talaga na nagiging normal na siya whatever I ate man. Kung ano may mga kinain ko. Dahil lahat na kinakain ko talaga. Pero in moderately lang. Hindi na siya overeating talaga. And with the help of my tea, this is for the fasting. At nakaka-relax din yung ating digestive dyan. Talagang di siya nagtatrabaho ng mabuti sa pag-burn ng ating mga fats dyan. So, ang ating mga stored fats, yun yung ginagamit niyang pang-burn. So, alam nyo na guys, kung gusto nyo rin bumaba yung inyong fasting blood sugar and also, ang result nga ng ating pagbaba ng ating fasting blood sugar, pag-lose na rin ng ating weight. At syempre, ang kagandahan talaga nito is yung ating health din talaga. So, kung namamahalan kayo guys, don't think na it's mahal. Alam mo, it's yung purpose talaga niya ang inyong magiging investment dito. Ito talaga yung magiging investment talaga natin. So, kailan pa tayo gagastos ng mahal pag alam nyo na kung nasa na tayo mapupunta pagka masama na yung ating pakiramdam. Like me, talaga, ayun, ayoko nang maulit yon nang sobrang nag-spike yung ating sugar, na DKA tayo, at napunta tayo, na-confine tayo for 4 days. Ayoko nang maulit yung mga ganon, nagka-gastric, nagka-urine, lahat-lahat na. Ayun, kaya guys, try our TN Fiverr and comment lang kayo. And if you're interested to try this one, I'll guide you. And if you wanted sample products or trial packs, comment down lang kayo dyan, guys. Ayan lang. I'm so happy for my result today.